We're in the second largest city in Poland.
Welcome to Krakow.
So we're staying at some apartments that we found on Agoda called the Catamaran Apartments. It really is in a great location and we cannot recommend this apartment enough if you want to be in the heart of the action in Krakow itself. £88.77 for three nights. Which is a bit of a steal, really.
Getting here from the airport couldn't be easier. A ticket to the city centre will cost you 12 zloty per person. Alternatively, get an Uber. It'll cost around £8 for a one-way journey. Anyway guys, it's enough chit chat for now, so let's head on down to the Old Town Square. So guys, interesting fact for you, Krakow Town Square dates back to the 13th century and it's actually the largest medieval square in the whole of Europe.
So we're just going down for a drink at one of Poland's kind of branded bars. It's a big chain out here called Banja Luka, and you really need to check this out if you're down there.
So guys, we're in Banja Luka now. I could not think of a better way to warm up than with a hot mulled wine.
And a Chisky beer.
And what makes it even better is that for both drinks it came to about £1.80. 10 zloty, not bad. Cheers!
Cheers to that.
Heading towards the castle now that we are heading in the right direction because we were heading in the wrong direction.
So the best thing at the minute about Wawel Castle is they're having an event for November. So it's free November, so all your normal exhibitions are free.
Which is fab.
So we've just asked her, out of curiosity for you, how much all 4 tours around would be. And apparently it works out 70 zloty, she thinks. So that's just something to keep in mind.
After a lovely morning exploring the castle, we then enjoyed a zapiekanka for lunch, which cost us 13 zloty. We then decided to head back to the Old Town Square to climb the Town Hall Tower.
So I've just got some tickets to go up the tower. These are 14 zloty each, so a little bit under £3 a ticket.
In terms of towers, it's not going to be the highest tower that we've ever climbed, but it's the tower that's in the square and hopefully it's going to give us some great views. It's worth mentioning, guys, that these stairs are very steep and very narrow, so make sure you take care. There are ledges which can be used as passing points or simply just to see if you get tired. Here we are again at the top of yet another tower that I've made John climb. But this one's slightly different because there is no actual viewing platform outside because of safety reasons, and it does look a bit unsafe. You wouldn't really want to escape outside. You do have to view the square from like 3 different points behind a glass door, but you can still get some good footage, some good pictures. Yeah. As I said, it's not the highest tower that we've climbed, but it was quite tough because the steps are very big.
They are
very big and very narrow, so if you do come, just be really careful. Definitely wear sensible shoes.
So we're just on our way now to catch up with a friend who we met last time while we were here in Krakow. It was quite random how we met.
It was
how
very
we met
random.
Krzysztof, wasn't it?
We were actually in the supermarket and we're trying to pick out different flavours of Polish vodka that we hadn't tried before, but it was getting lost in translation, and Chris was actually stood next to us in the queue and he helped us translate and pick out some vodka. And that's how we met. And then we got into conversation, and it actually turned out that Chris was a tour guide and asked us if we would like to do a tour with him the following day.
So we said yes, this is where we want to go, and he said no problem at all, meet you in the morning. And that's where the friendship began. So we're going to catch up with him and have a couple of Polish beers while we're here. So Chris has brought us down to Passage 13, which is, it's kind of an underground bar, but it's very posh. It does wines and spirits and everything. It really is beautiful, and there is even a delicatessen behind. So make sure you check this out when you come to Krakow.
So we're just about to try Grupnik now, which is recommended by our friend Chris. And it's like a honey liqueur.
This is honey liqueur, yeah.
Honey liqueur.
Polish honey liqueur.
It smells amazing. Wow, and it tastes amazing as well. I could drink that all the time. That could be very dangerous.
That's pretty good.
So let me know if you do find this place, because it really is stunning. It's off the beaten track, it's hidden, it's exclusive. Passage 13, through the door, down the stairs. Let us know in the comments if you've been or if you actually managed to find it. After having a few drinks and a sharing platter, which we'll show you how it was on the next vlog, Chris took us around Krakow for a walk and to point out some interesting things to see. Chris is a licensed tour guide, and this man knows his stuff. He does tours in German, Polish and English. He'll take you anywhere you want to go, whether it's Auschwitz and Birkenau, the salt mines, Zakopane, or even just a walk around Krakow itself. We'll drop his details in the comments below, so you can contact him directly if you want to book.
Before we went to lunch, Chris took us to a local food market, which we'll cover in our next vlog, Krakow Food Tour. He also showed us some of the beautiful underground cellars around the city of Krakow, including this impressive one in McDonald's. Bars, restaurants and even shops across the city have these stunning underground cellars, so make sure you pay them a visit if you come to Krakow.
We went to this local Polish restaurant for lunch, which was absolutely fantastic and well worth a visit if you're in this magnificent city. The following day, we decided to have a walk down to the Jewish district, also known as Kazimierz, and see what we could find there. So we're here in the Jewish district in Krakow, and behind me is a restaurant called Ariel. Now, a quick fact for you, that when Steven Spielberg was filming Schindler's List out here, this was his favourite restaurant.
If you like unusual and unique bars, then be sure to visit the ones in the Jewish district. With unique pieces of history, they won't disappoint.
So we're just having a walk now to the Jewish ghetto.
So we're just here down at the Ghetto Heroes Square. This is a permanent memorial for the Polish Jews that died either here or at concentration camps. So if you look around, there's 70 chairs. Each chair is made of cast iron and bronze, and it represents 1,000 people and the possessions that they had to leave behind. If you want to learn more about the sad history, then take an educational trip to the concentration camps Auschwitz and Birkenau, which are located an hour and 20 minutes from Krakow by car. We have visited both concentration camps during a previous stay, so chose not to visit again this time. We strongly recommend booking the guided tour so you can fully understand the sombre history and suffering that happened here.
And that's 48 hours in Krakow done. And boy, do we love this city.
We do. This is the third time that we've been now, and we just keep coming back because we love it that much. As you've already seen, there's so much to see, and it really is a city worth exploring. And maybe you guys might explore some things that we haven't even seen yet. we always need a reason to come back, so let us know in the comments if there is anything that we've missed that we definitely should see.
There's so much to see and do in Krakow. We probably recommend 4 to 5 nights here just to see things, and even then though you might still have to come back to finish off. So it's definitely a city worth visiting, and it's pretty cost effective as well.
It's definitely a budget destination.
So for that reason, I think we'll stamp it.
I think
definitely. So if you've enjoyed this video as much as we hope you have, please remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss another episode. Until next time, take care.
Bye guys.
So behind me is the iconic Cloth Market Hall. You can't miss it when you come to Gdansk. No, we're not even in Gdansk. I don't even know where we are. So behind me is the Cloth Market Hall in Krakow, and what a stunning building it is. This building dates back to when the trumpeter messes your take up.
Oh no!
So hopefully
you might get this take right next time. So guys, enough chit chat, because now we're going to take you guys down to the city square. The city square, that's Leeds. It's not the city square.
Oh, it's a good job this isn't live.
Cut, smash.